back for another recipe and mukbang because we're gonna eat something very good and very spicy. First, we're gonna have big shrimp and mussels. I said, what do you call them? Mussels? Little mussels, fish balls, and soup mix, very spicy. Okay, I like to tell you the name, okay, but it's in Chinese, but spicy hot pot seasoning. Spicy hot pot seasoning.
And crab.
And,
Crab.
Enaki mushroom. Enaki mushroom. And crab. The crab are already boiling now. So, my wife has started to fry lemon, tomato, and garlic, and she's gonna fry the mussels and the shrimp with this mix. You see, she put the shrimp and later the mussels. Now she put water, it'll be 5 cups, and she put salt and pepper. And it smells very good. Oh, gonna be a nice soup. And she's gonna boil for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes. So she put half of the envelope of the hot pot mix.
Very tasty. Very spicy. Spicy.
Mushroom. Wow, you see?
Very nice. Very spicy.
Very spicy soup.
And
the crab.
crab
And the rice.
rice.
Yeah, very nice. It's gonna be good.
My mouth is very spicy.
Wow, sarap. Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap delicious. Rice because rice is the standard for my Filipina wife. Before I meet my wife, I used to eat rice maybe once every 2 times. No, maybe 3 times a month. 3 to 4 times a month. Now it's 28 days a month. Because here in my place it's more potato, but I used to eat noodle pancit. I'm very maniac of pancit noodles. Thank you, my wife. You like a crab? I know you bought this in Chinese grocery because long time you failed to eat crab and we didn't see. Now we had the chance to buy crab, so she took the chance to get crab.
Very bad.
I'm gonna taste the.
Maybe spicy. Very spicy.
Oh my boy! Oh la la! Woo.
Very spicy.
Oh, it's gonna be a real challenge.
Challenge spicy.
Oh my! But it's good. I would like that my daughter Cindy would be with us today because she's maniac. She likes spicy food a lot, and it's never spicy enough for her. I think she would have a good challenge with this soup. So let's eat. This one is empty. Put there. Ah, I found one. Very good. Ah, we have a place to put the empty shells. Very good. Very good and very spicy. Thank you. Like you can see, my wife helped me with my crab because here in Canada we used to eat snow crab. It's very big crab and very long legs. Very easy to get the meat inside. But these Asiatic crab, very little. It's harder to get the meat. Now I'm starting to get more used to it. Take out. What you take out?
Nice taste.
Nice taste. I think that I think I'm gonna have consequence with the spicy soup in a couple of hours. Which is good, thank you. Just later I can do that. Maybe your end's gonna burn later. Ooh. I like spicy. This is very spicy. It's a good thing. Very good taste. The crab.
Very taba. Crab, very fat.
Very fat. been a long time before we had the chance to eat crab. We ate many lobster, but not crab.
No crab.
Now the lobster start to the price start to come back to normal. That's mean expensive. Thank you.
Very nice.
We like to when we have the chance to make our grocery in the Chinese grocery in Brassard, not far from Montreal, because they have many things that we can't find here in our local grocery in Granby. Like the shrimp here, they're very big, but the price is good in the Chinese grocery. But here you're gonna pay almost double price for these kind of shrimps in the local grocery. When I eat these crab, I feel like I'm in the Philippines. Because we used to eat these little crab often. Very nice.
Very nice. Sarap.
I have one there. My wife is faster than me.
Pat.
Huh? Huh?
Pat.
I give to you. I know you like. My wife happy. She have her crab.
Where's my crab?
Eat her crab. nice shrimp.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap. Sarap.
My mouth is on fire. My mouth is on fire.
Fire
Mm.
No?
I'm full. Full too.
Spicy.
But the taste is very good.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh my god, it was a very, very nice supper.
Yeah.
I'm very full now. So I hope you enjoyed this meal with us. Thank you very much to subscribe and to watching us. And the one that didn't subscribe yet, if you like our video, just click the little thumb up and subscribe. And we will see you again for another video soon. Yeah. Take care. Be
Bye.
safe. Bye.